From the dawn of time, language has been the cornerstone of human connection. But as technology evolved, a new challenge emerged. How do we make machines understand us? Enter natural language processing, or NLP. This revolutionary field bridges the ancient art of communication with cutting-edge technology, transforming how we interact with our digital world. Ready to explore? Welcome to the fourth episode of our comprehensive AI series. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of NLP. What's something people don't know about natural language processing, or NLP? It's transforming our interaction with technology. It sounds complicated, but stay with me. I promise it's not as daunting as it seems. In the world of artificial intelligence, NLP is like the translator, the go-between. It acts as a bridge, connecting human language with computer understanding. It helps computers understand and communicate with us humans using our very own language. This means that our devices can now interpret and respond to our commands more effectively. You see, computers are great with numbers, but words, not so much. They need structured data, and human language is anything but structured. They need a little help understanding the nuances of human language, the slang, the sarcasm, the context. It's a complex task, but NLP makes it possible. That's where NLP steps in. It deciphers our language, making it understandable for machines. Its goal is to bridge the gap between how we communicate and how computers process information. It's like having a personal interpreter for your tech. Think about it. When you search for something online or ask Siri a question, you're using NLP. It's working behind the scenes to make sure you get the right information. It's already a big part of our lives, and it's only going to get bigger. From customer service chatbots to advanced translation services, NLP is everywhere. Trust me, this NLP thing is a pretty big deal. It's revolutionizing the way we interact with our devices and access information. So buckle up, because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of natural language processing. There's so much to explore and understand. Don't worry, I'll be your guide. Together we'll navigate through the complexities and marvel at the innovations. And hopefully, by the end of this, you'll be as excited about the potential of NLP as I am. It's a journey worth taking. Well, maybe not as excited, but you get the idea. Let's dive in. Now, you might be wondering, how does NLP actually work? How does it turn a jumble of words into something a computer can understand? Well, imagine NLP as a multi-step process, a bit like deciphering a secret code. First, we have text pre-processing. This is where the computer cleans up the text, removing any unnecessary characters like punctuation or special symbols. Think of it as tidying up before the real work begins. Next comes tokenization, where the text is broken down into individual words or phrases called tokens. It's like separating the ingredients before you start cooking. Then there's part-of-speech tagging, where each token is labeled based on its grammatical role, noun, verb, adjective. You know the drill, but it doesn't stop there. Named entity recognition identifies and classifies important entities like people, places and organizations. And finally, parsing analyzes the grammatical structure of the sentence, figuring out how all the words relate to each other. It's all very clever, really. NLP has a whole toolbox of techniques to make sense of human language. Let's look at a few key players. One of the most well-known is machine translation, where computers are trained to translate text from one language to another. Think Google Translate, helping you navigate foreign websites or decipher that menu on holiday. Then there's speech recognition, where computers learn to understand spoken language. This is the technology behind virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, allowing you to boss your devices around with your voice. Very futuristic, isn't it? Text summarization is another handy technique, where computers condense large chunks of text into shorter, more digestible summaries. This is incredibly useful for quickly grasping the gist of lengthy articles or documents. And let's not forget text classification, where computers categorize text into different categories based on its content. This is used in spam filtering, sentiment analysis, and even for sorting your emails. NLP in action, real-world applications. Now let's step out of the technical jargon and into the real world. NLP is not just some abstract concept, it's all around us. Take chatbots, for example. Those automated customer service agents you find on websites, powered by NLP, they can understand your questions, provide helpful information, and even crack a joke or two. Well, some of them can. Then there are virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They use NLP to understand your commands, answer your questions, and even control your smart home devices. Turn off the lights, please, Alexa. See? It's like magic, but with less wand waving. But NLP's reach goes far beyond our personal devices. It's used in healthcare to analyze patient data, in finance to detect fraud, and in marketing to personalize customer experiences. It's even used to translate ancient texts, helping us unlock the secrets of the past. The possibilities are practically endless. The road ahead, future trends in NLP. The world of NLP is constantly evolving, with new advancements emerging all the time. Researchers and developers are continuously pushing the boundaries of what is possible, making NLP more powerful and versatile. One exciting trend is the development of contextual understanding, where computers can understand the meaning of words and sentences within a larger context. This allows for more accurate and meaningful interactions. This means they'll be able to follow along with complex conversations and understand the nuances of human communication even better. Imagine an AI that can keep up with a fast-paced debate or a deep philosophical discussion. Another area of growth is multimodal NLP, where computers can process and understand information from multiple sources, like text, images, and audio. This integration allows for richer and more comprehensive data analysis. Imagine a world where you can show your computer a picture and ask it to describe what's happening, providing detailed insights and context. Or play a piece of music and ask it to identify the genre. This capability can revolutionize how we interact with our devices, making them more intuitive and responsive. Personalization is another key trend. With the help of NLP, experiences can be tailored to individual preferences and needs, making interactions more relevant and engaging. NLP is being used to create more personalized experiences in everything from online shopping to education. This means more accurate recommendations and customized learning paths. Imagine a world where your newsfeed is tailored to your interests, providing you with the most relevant and engaging content. Or your language learning app adapts to your specific needs, helping you learn more effectively and efficiently. And of course, we can't forget about the ethical implications of NLP. As these technologies become more advanced, it's essential to address the ethical challenges they present. As NLP becomes more sophisticated, it's crucial to ensure it's used responsibly and doesn't perpetuate existing biases or discriminate against certain groups of people. This requires ongoing vigilance and commitment to ethical standards. NLP's growing pains, challenges, and considerations. Now, while NLP is incredibly powerful, it's not without its challenges. Human language is complex and messy, full of ambiguity and nuance that can trip up even the most advanced algorithms. One major challenge is sarcasm detection. Humans excel at detecting sarcasm, but computers often struggle to pick up on subtle cues like tone of voice and facial expressions. Another hurdle is dealing with bias in data. NLP models are trained on massive datasets of text, and if these datasets contain biases, the models will learn and perpetuate them. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, so it's crucial to address bias in both the data and the algorithms themselves. Multilingual processing is another challenge. While there's been significant progress in machine translation, NLP models still struggle with languages that have complex grammar or limited training data. And of course, there are the ethical considerations. As NLP becomes more sophisticated, we need to ensure it's used responsibly and doesn't infringe on people's privacy or autonomy. Conclusion: the transformative power of words. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the fascinating world of natural language processing, or NLP for short. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basic principles of NLP to its real-world applications and future potential. It's truly amazing how far we've come. As you can see, NLP is more than just a fancy acronym. It's a revolutionary technology that's changing our daily lives in ways we might not even realize. It's a powerful tool that's transforming the way we interact with technology and with each other. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past. From chatbots to virtual assistants, from language translation to sentiment analysis, NLP is already having a profound impact on our lives. It's making communication more seamless and efficient. And as NLP continues to evolve, it promises to unlock even more possibilities in the years to come. The future is bright and full of potential. So the next time you ask Siri for directions, translate a website, or get a helpful response from a chatbot, take a moment to appreciate the power of NLP. It's the invisible force making our lives easier. It's the magic that allows us to communicate with machines as effortlessly as we do with each other. And it's only going to get more magical from here. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Your engagement with this content is a testament to the power of words and technology. And stay tuned for our next episode, Computer Vision, Seeing the World Through AI, where we'll explore how AI is transforming visual data analysis from facial recognition to object detection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Also, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And remember, your support helps us bring more exciting content your way. Stay curious and see you in the next episode.